video, I am having a hair transformation today. That explains why I have a cap on, because I don't want you guys to see the final hair look until the end of my video. Anywhoosies, before I show you guys the whole process, I wanted to thank Function of Beauty for sponsoring today's video. As some of you guys are aware, I worked with them before in the past. Absolutely obsessed with the product, so I think it's safe to say that I went a little bit lighter. You'll see the process. So this time around, it was really important for me to pick a shampoo and conditioner that would suit my current hair situation, sustaining non-brassy hair, and also the health of my hair. This is perfect because I was able to customize a perfect, unique formula for my unique hair. It's super easy. All you have to do is fill out a 2-minute quiz outlining your hair type, hair goals, and your personalized preferences. All you have to do is choose your color and your fragrance. Again, I have very straight, medium, and oily hair because I have a very oily scalp. I chose some different hair goals. It's super important that I went for color protection this time around. I still have length on the list, volume, oil control, and most importantly, reducing my brassiness. Keep in mind that there are no parabens, sulfates, GMOs, or toxins, and it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So these are my bottles right now. Last time I put Function of a fake kook, but this time around I put Function of a J Bumses. We gotta respect the religion, alright? So for one of my preferences, I wanted to maintain my blonde streaks, which aren't technically too blonde right now. I'll explain in the video, but eventually my hair will have a lightness to it. So I went ahead to make sure that my Function of Beauty shampoo was purple shampoo. And again, I got the fragrance peach. And for conditioner, I got this color to brighten up my shower. Like I mentioned last time, you do get pumps if you want to customize them into your bottles to make it easier. However, this time I'm actually just gonna keep the caps on. So if you want to try out Function of Beauty, then make sure to click the link down below for 20% off your first order. It is currently available in Europe, US, Australia, New Zealand, you name it, all these countries. And with that being said, I think it's time for us to get on to my hair transformation. Let's go! Hey, it's Faye. Good morning. My nervous system is a little bit shooketh today. My hair girl is almost here to transform my dark hair. So if you want to come along, then keep watching, I guess. We all know that I've trashed my hair for the past year-ish by myself. Therefore, I'm very comforted to know that a professional will be doing my hair and I'm not attempting this on my own. Yay. So yeah, let's join forces and see how it turns out. I know that it's gonna take a couple sessions to lift my hair fully to the lightest it can go. So today's just phase 1. Let's just appreciate a professional doing my hair. Like seriously, that's all that matters. Portia is here! You guys are in the area. I always link her stuff down below. At least check out her Instagram.
Yeah, balayage that's like blended down into different blues.
It's like mermaid. I love how dirty this mirror is. She just never cleans her bathroom. I love how my head's like an egg. Okay, if I recall correctly, Portia is using the back of her comb, aka a vigorous weapon, so don't mess with her. And she's doing this weave method to part the pieces of hair that she'll be applying the bleach onto. As you can see, she's using foil, and I think this course of action is called foliage, or this whole procedure is called foliage, I think. I don't know. I did tell Portia I wanted a balayage hairstyle, so that's why she's going through skipping selections of my hair, because we still want the dark color to be there. The parts that she's bleaching will be the highlighted parts, and eventually, hopefully, in a couple of months, we can get it even lighter, closer to a blonde color.
3、2、1，爱就像蓝天白云，晴空万里，忽然暴风雨，无处躲避，总是让人始料不及。人就像患重感冒，打着喷嚏，发烧要休息，冷热交替，欢喜忧郁，乐此不疲。Down the clouds to take you high. Breathe in the air and touch the sky.
Look at this foil. We got the sides. And then now we're gonna work on the fry.
On that money piece.
The money piece.
Mm-hmm.
Can we take selfies in this? Update, we just ordered food and we're now working on the back. Excited for the food and the hair.
I'm excited for the food.
I'm excited more so for the hair.
I'm on the move, can't stop me if you try. Coasting on now, baby, it's just me, myself, and I. Cause I'm on the move, every step is by design. It's only up from here till the moment I die.
I've been on the move, I never saw myself ever coming so far. Taking small steps, I was trying to find my groove. Yeah, I know that I was off to a really slow start, but now I'm...
Okay, we just got all the foils in and we just ordered food, which should be up in a little bit. I'm definitely gonna open the door like this. Ooh. Thanks, Portia. Oh, you're welcome, love. So guess what happened? We ordered our food. The lady... Oh, are you for... Update, as soon as we opened the door and I was complaining, the lady, or the girl, she was right there, she got lost. I feel bad now. Sorry if you ever come across this video, which you probably won't. Yeah, we're gonna eat. Is it good so far? Okay. Turning around to eat. Now Mother Portia is checking to see if the bleach is ready to be rinsed out, and yes, we're ready to go. I'll be back. I'll be here. I am going to be taking out the foils. I'm gonna hop in the shower and rinse out my hair. Oh my god, so cool. I finished rinsing and shampooing my hair. Now on to the next step. Dude, look at this. Now we're doing the root.
The shadow root. Yep.
Shadow root.
We're gonna go through and we're just gonna kind of blend to make everything really seamless. This is gonna be the last part that we do the shadow root on, is because we want this to really pop and be bright, and then we're gonna go through and put the toner over the ends, so it's gonna end up being really, really cute and just give her lots of depth, and we already have a pretty good blend going on. But
I'm so excited. So like Portia said, we're doing some root shadowing, that's how I said it, where she blends away all the harsh lines where the color starts transitioning. And this helps because I have previous color on my hair from my recent self-hair dyeing video. Oops. My roots were growing, so you could actually indicate a crown of my virgin black roots and then off to this off-brand dark red excess color. So with what she's doing here, it really helps blend in all these unnecessary haters out here.
I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely nights. I love you, baby.
We are doing toner now. We just finished with the root shadowing. Root shadowing.
root shadowing. I like how you said that.
I'm like super excited for the color.
I am too.
I know.
Again, toning out that brassiness. With dark hair, especially Asian hair, we're always gonna have this warm orange undertone. Portia told me the different levels that you have to get through to the highest potential blonde with Asian hair, and that's almost like a pale yellow. First, it's reddish orange and then that yellow brass. So that's why it's important to tone out that dark hair after it being bleached to subtract the warm tones out.
I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely.
We're gonna wait 5-10 minutes and we're just gonna chill, and then I'm gonna rinse it out again, and then we're gonna blow dry and style.
We're off to a 1/2 inch trim off the ends and fine tuning split ends. Now you can see my hair looks super dark, and that's because of the toner. It did go on a bit darker than expected, but it's fine. Toner will fade out the more you wash your hair anyway. So with it being darker now, it'll stop staying time until I see Portia again for our next session. Just a disclaimer, I know a lot of people think that it's super easy to go from black to blonde, but actually it takes a longer time than expected if you want to do it the healthy way. Portia was telling me that if I wanted to go to the lightest I can in one day, she could do that, but the question is, how much hair do I want left? Yo, it took me a whole year to have my hair back to this state, so I'm not risking anything. Therefore, I'm more than happy to have this shade of color right now until we build back up my cuticles to put it through it again. The desperate urge of having healthy hair was such a huge concern and huge priority for me for so long that I cannot put my hair through that much bleaching in one setting. So it is going to be a journey until I hit the satisfaction of the color that I want, but I think it's going to be completely worth it. And that is the end of this hair journey for this vlog. It took us about 4 hours, and trust me, that is considered quick for us. We used to spend more than 12 hours in the salon when we installed in my extensions, so I am grateful. You have no idea. Portia's leaving. Yeah. Thank you so much for my hair.
You're welcome, love. Anytime.
Follow her on her Instagram, Instagram. I'll link it down below. Your waves look beautiful, by the way. It's funny because I want you guys to comment down below. How old do you think Portia is? But literally, look at my hair in the camera lighting too. Hair transformation. Thanks for doing my hair all day. I appreciate it. Trust me, there's gonna be more hair videos with us. So,
of course, always.
Yeah, we'll keep it coming. It's gonna be a series. Bye, guys. That is it for this video. As you guys can tell, this is my current hair. You can definitely see that brown honey blonde comment below. I can't speak. I am so excited to see how far we can take my hair. Of course, this is not the end product because we have a couple more sessions to go. It's been a couple of days. It has lightened up a lot more than when you first saw it when I was finished. What I love about Portia is that she cares more about my hair health, and that is so important to me because, as you guys know, in the past my hair has gone through crazy times. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. I just want to end it here. I hope you guys will join us as we continue to dye my hair and treat it. My hand hurts. This camera is so freaking heavy. I guess that's it. Bye.